very long time ago, before the railways came along, Boscastle was a really important and thriving little port that used to serve most of northern Cornwall. Of course, Boscastle became famous again in the summer of 2004 when there were terrible floods. Thankfully, the village is now recovered. Here we're approaching the main Boscastle car park from the northerly direction. Here it is on the left, nice wide entrance. It's a pay and display car park. Lots and lots of spaces, plenty of space for people to come and enjoy the village. Had we come from the Caravan and Motorhome Club site at Trewethick Farm, we would have been coming down this hill after coming across the bridge, and then the car park would have been through the village and on our right. The first place we decided to explore is the little harbour. We wanted to see if we could get a little bit closer to the sea, and we spotted a path on the right hand side of this picture. As you can see, it's a pretty precarious path because it's not actually designed as a proper path. We just missed the signs that said don't use. Luckily, of course, it wasn't particularly slippery that day, otherwise we wouldn't have gone down there. Although it's not famous for iron, there was an awful lot of orangey deposits leaching out from the cliff sides as we walked past, so presumably that's some sort of iron ore. After a little bit of precarious walking, we managed to get down to a jetty at the end. If you fancy a proper walk, you can park in the Boscastle car park and then head north on the coastal path, and after about a mile you'll see the Pentargon waterfall, which is really quite impressive. Another precarious walk back, we're back in the village itself. The harbour walls are really chicaned to help stop the waves coming in and inundating the village itself. Here on the left, the Museum of Witchcraft and Magic. So all in all, a nice little village for a wander around. Plenty of places you can get ice cream, and we stopped at a tea shop just on the edge of the harbour, and that served really nice little cakes and teas and ice creams and so on. Thanks for joining us. Please do hit the thumbs up button if our summary was useful, and remember to subscribe. See you next time.